All right, what's going on, y'all? Storm Chaser Kevin live in Bristol, Connecticut tonight with officially the 12th snowfall of the 2024 and 2025 winter season. Let's go outside right now and check out what it looks like. And it is 7 o'clock at night. Let's go. Let's go see what the conditions look like. There's one vehicle.
You good, Kevin?
Yep,
Okay.
I've seen some crazy stuff over the past 20 minutes outside this house. You missed it. I don't know if it's legal, but that was crazy. Okay. We got the snowplow coming through. Woo! Nice! It's the medication guy. I think. Maybe not. Wow, look at this car. He can barely drive. Wow, he's doing good. Nice. Big flakes. Woo! No thunder snow with this storm, everyone. But this is officially the 12th snowfall of the 2024 and 2025 winter season. We got about 4 inches already. Just about 4 inches already. What I am concerned about is the accumulation of ice and freezing rain that is expected overnight tonight and into tomorrow afternoon. I am very, very concerned about widespread power outages. If you see down trees or you see a green flash in the sky, call Eversource immediately. That is the sign of a transformer exploding due to too much stress from snow and freezing rain or ice. But as you guys right now can see, it is crazy out here. Earlier, a guy in his Honda Accord couldn't even drive. It was crazy. And pretty soon the snowplow guy is gonna come by. But this is crazy. What is this? Nice! Nice! A four-wheeler! Yeah! That was awesome! Yeah, we just had a four-wheeler come by. Live on camera. I want to see another snowmobile drive by, but I don't think they're gonna do it. They might do it later, but we saw one earlier. I just missed it. But at least I got the four-wheeler on camera for you guys. This is crazy. That's a treat for you guys live on camera. A four-wheeler driving in the snowstorm. I think he might be coming back around too. We'll have to wait and see. Woohoo! As you can see, the stress from the snow is actually weighing down branches a little bit. Yeah! 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 Yes! Good job. This is fun. I was in the middle of watching Ryan Hall yell on the big screen in my house when I was like, let me go give you guys a live storm chasing update from Bristol, Connecticut of just how much snowfall has fallen. I know multiple news stations, they forecasted between 2 to 4 inches of snowfall. I think they underdid it because we're already at about 4 inches and it's only 7 o'clock. I think, in my opinion, because we're already past what was expected, I think we could see another 4, maybe 5 inches of snow by all said and done. Because it looks like we had a burst of snow that put down 4 inches in about 3 hours. Because this all started right around 3 o'clock this afternoon. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so we had about 4 inches of snow from 3 o'clock in the afternoon to now, which is insane. I don't think any of the models predicted this, except for maybe the European or the GFS, but this is crazy. This is amazing. Yeah, doing burnout. Let's see what happens. Is he gonna go by? I don't know what kind of car it is. It looks like a Mercedes, maybe an Audi. Nice. Nice! Sweet! It's an Acura! Nice! That was an Acura MDX or ZDX. I want to see a car do like a burnout or something. That would be cool. I know one of our neighbors over here has a Ford Mustang GT 5.0. And then the other guy has a beautiful red and black Mazda Miata MX-5 with custom wheels. I mean, it would be amazing if he would come out here and just do some donuts. But I don't know if he will. I think he's also a major YouTuber just like me. He goes to every car meet in the city of Connecticut or the state of Connecticut. And I just go to every storm on camera. But as you guys can see, we got near whiteout conditions still happening. They started about 3 o'clock and they are still going on. And this snowfall has not slowed down at all. In fact, the snow rates have just increased, and the snowfall rates of heavy snow have just been miraculous. I mean, I've never seen heavy snow like this much. Like under forecasted, and I knew like 2 days ago they were gonna under forecast this storm. And, look what happened. They underplayed the storm extremely. They forecasted 2 to 4 inches, and we're already at 4 inches. Plus, we're just about at 5 inches. I think we might have 10 inches before this crap is over if it keeps snowing like this. Once the snowplow comes by, I will end this live coverage. And then after that, I'm going to go back in and watch Ryan Hall y'all live stream and try to make sure no violent tornadoes happen today in that 10% hatched area risk zone. And another thing about that, I send my thoughts and prayers to every state affected tonight from the devastating floods in Virginia, in Kentucky, in parts of Tennessee, in West Virginia. And my thoughts and prayers go out to everyone affected with that. And let's also hope tonight that no destructive or long track or even violent tornadoes happen at all tonight. But it's looking pretty bad right now on radar. Nice! Nice! It's a Hyundai? Yeah, it's a Hyundai. Nice! Nice Hyundai. What's this? A Subaru. Nice. Man, the Subaru actually does really good out here. That's awesome. As you guys can see, it's just non-stop snowfall. Heavy snowfall at that. I don't see any end of this snowfall in sight. And just as a side note, I think by all said and done, when this ice and freezing rain event part is all over, I think we could have maybe an inch of ice on the ground on top of all the snow that weighs down the trees and power lines. But remember what I said on the stream tonight. If you see a green flash light up the sky, it is either a transformer explosion from too much damage, or it could be lightning with thunder snow. Also on the back side, I do want to mention this right now while we're live. I do expect a brief thunderstorm with heavy rain on the back side of this winter storm Sunday afternoon. We'll have to wait and see if that verifies. But there could be a pretty strong thunderstorm or a line of thunderstorms that move through the area Sunday afternoon between 2 o'clock and 3:30 p.m. Also, there is going to be a lot of power outages with gusty winds Monday afternoon and Monday morning. So if you see any downed tree limbs, please report them to either Eversource or your National Weather Service station. And hopefully you guys enjoy the last, 10 or 15 minutes of this live coverage in the field from Bristol, Connecticut. I just want to end after the guy drives by with the snow plow. Because, I like getting the snow plows on camera because they do a really good job. And that's another thing. I think all these people that do plowing for Connecticut, like the DOT crews, I'm going to suggest to the governors that they get paid a little bit more than what they get paid. Because they're completely underpaid. I believe all DOT workers are underpaid, in my opinion. Y'all can dispute that if y'all want in the comments, but that's just my opinion. I really do believe that all DOT workers that plow the roads are completely underpaid. And they should get a raise, because they do a really good job with their job. And I recommend that they do get a raise. Also, I do recommend the YouTuber that should get the award for most MVP of 2024 and 2023 and 2022. That award should go to Ryan Hall, y'all, because he does an incredible job with everything. Him, the Y'all Squad, everything they do on their YouTube channel is 100% legit. No matter if it's a storm that starts off as a blip, they're still live for it, and they do just an incredible job. And that's another thing. If y'all know Ryan Hall, y'all on Twitter or YouTube, go subscribe to his channel immediately. You guys are missing the best YouTuber in the whole world that does everything that they can do. Where is the snowplow? I saw him earlier, but he didn't drive by. Look at that winter tree. Oh, God, I almost fell. It is slippery. Was that him? I don't know if that's him. I heard his vehicle. I don't see him, though. I thought I heard it. Like I said, guys, once this snowplow guy leaves the area and passes by us, we're going in. I think that's the quad guy coming back through. The guy in the quad might be coming back through here. Man, it is really coming down. Mm-hmm. Is that a car down there that is stuck? I can't tell, but it looks like there's a car down there that's stuck. Um. Look at the spiral of snow of the snow. Mm. Oh man, it's getting more heavier. Nice. If this snowfall continues at this rate, we are going to have close to 8 inches or maybe more than 8 inches when all said and done. I can't tell if that is the wind howling or is that the snowplow that's coming this way. Oh, he's not plowing. I thought he was. That was Bristol Public City Works and or no, Bristol City Public Works. That's who that was. Wasn't the snowplow or anything. He had a plow, but he wasn't plowing. I think he's waiting for the actual snowplow guy to come through. The fact that he just came by is a good sign. Or maybe he went somewhere else. Oh, there's the actual plow truck. Maybe the other plow guy kind of gave up for now. I hope he didn't give up, but I just saw the plow guy earlier. Or maybe Public Works was called out here to come help the plow guy get unstuck. I have no idea. But we'll find out in a couple minutes, maybe. Alright. Like I said, I'm not going to end this live coverage until the plow guy actually comes by and plows the road. Nice. I hear a jet, I just don't see it. Yeah, this storm is a force to be reckoned with. Oh, here he comes, I think. I think he's coming, guys. I see the lights flashing. After he comes by, we're going in. Yeah! There he goes. And there he goes, guys. The channel today. We are live in Bristol, Connecticut today on Sunday, February 16th, with the aftermath of the significant snow and ice storm last night. Let's go see what the conditions have look like now after it's all over. And now we're just waiting on the backside of the system with thunderstorms. All right, let's go take a look. Just a consensus on how thick the ice is. That's very, very thick. Be extremely careful out here. Uh, this is our van. As you can see, this is a crippling ice storm. Oh my god. Look at that. An ice covered van. Oh my goodness. I don't think we're going anywhere. Uh, Look at that. Holy. Look at cars just go. Look at this. Look how thick the ice is. This is how thick the ice is on cars. I believe that's an inch and a half thick. Dude. This is nuts. In my opinion, this is a crippling ice storm. This is incredible. Windows, just look at. You can't break the ice. Gas tank, that's a problem. Gas tank covered in ice. Oh yeah. This is crazy. Worst ice storm in a long time. This is just incredible. Man, this ice is sharp too. Man, look at window, frozen solid. Holy. Are you kidding? Look at this. Oh, it's not ice covered, but this is crazy. Oh my god. Even this part of the carnival is iced over. Holy my god. I don't think we're going anywhere. I'm about to find out, but I don't see us going anywhere. Yep. I don't see me going to work today. Okay. Okay. All right. This is. I'm about to go find out, but I don't see them bringing me to work today at all. Not in this. If they don't, they're gonna have to talk to Stop and Shop on the phone. In my opinion, I would say it's way too dangerous to be driving. Oh, look at the road. Look at this. Look at this. Look at ice cream. It's an ice rink. What the heck? This is never ending. Look at this. This is a Honda Accord. I guess it really doesn't even matter what kind of vehicle you have. Look at this is the windshield. Holy. This is insane. Gas tank frozen over. my God. Let me see if I can get a piece of this. Look how thick that ice is. This is crippling. This is what you call a crippling ice storm. We still have power, I'm surprised, but this is just horrifically bad. Holy, look at this. I haven't seen this happening in Bristol, Connecticut for a long time. Wow, dude, this is nuts. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, going down this, we're gonna slide. Bins tipped over. Don't go too far. This is crazy. Nice. Good job. Alright, let me go figure this out. It looks really, 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 really bad out here. I'm gonna go see if I'm able to get to work today. I 100% think that they're not gonna bring it. We're about to go find out, but Jesus Christ, I'm slipping. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wow, look at even the bushes. Even the bushes are iced over. What? Even the bushes are completely ice. No way. This is insane. The bushes are ice. This is something else. Bushes, ice. Wow. Yeah, this is nuts. Okay. Hey. See how thick the ice is. So, 2-inch thick ice. That's how thick the ice is underneath a car. Here we go. You're about to see how an Nissan Altima does it. Let's see if she can make it. She's sliding! Wow! Nice! What's going on, everybody? Storm Chaser Kevin here, live with some storm damage from today's significant ice storm. We are live in Bristol on Sunday, February 16th, 2025. And as you guys can see, this tree is not going to make it the whole night. As you can see right here, we got some pretty bad damage. This ice is powerful enough to weigh down tree limbs. And as you can see, this thing has limbs falling everywhere. I don't want to get too close. Chaos right here. These are pretty good sized tree limbs that are falling. Tree limbs on this thing are breaking left and right. There goes another one. Watch out, buddy. I'm gonna move there's people still driving down here. I wouldn't drive down here. Oh my gosh! Damn, dude, this shit is heavy. Oh yeah, dude, they gotta shut this road down. They gotta shut this road down here. Yeah. A lot of people are gonna be like, why are you focusing on one tree? I'm focusing on this one tree because this one's not gonna make it through the day. Look at that one. That one. Look, oh, that's where it broke off of. Right there. It broke from right there. Look at. There's a piece of. There's a tree limb on the house. That's a big tree limb that came down. I'm gonna move back because this is gonna keep falling. And we got limbs falling everywhere. Yeah, be careful. I wouldn't move your car because this is gonna fall by tonight. Why are people still driving down here? Don't drive down here. Got that one. I had a feeling that was going to happen.